Hello, this is Ryan from the Linkosaurus training team. In this video, we're going to go over how to view and understand the Facebook analytics for your organization. So from the dashboard view, you're going to come over to Analytics, select Facebook, and then go to Organizations. And so this is going to show you all of the Facebook posts that you have submitted within your organization. And so in this example, you can, again, sort by and filter like we normally. So you can include or exclude groups to refine what locations you want to view. Again, you can come over here and individually pick locations, either one or more, and make a custom search. And then you'd want to select the date range up in the top right-hand corner. For the example, we are just going to look at this where there are two posts. One is brand and one is by somebody named Justin. And so in this scenario, we have two different. We have a brand post, which is from the national brand of this account, and something that was submitted from within our organization. We can always, depending on if you have a lot, these can be sorted by here, and also by the date and time. And so this is the date and time that these posts were published to the Facebook pages. Scrolling over to this image here, you can click this and view a larger image of the post. You can also click the text and it will open up the full post here. So you can read the whole thing. This actually takes you to the detail page, which I'm going to share shortly. But just to go back to this, come over here and you have locations. And so again, if you have a lot, you can sort this and view them by higher number or by lower number. And in this example, this is showing that 64 locations within Linkosaurus, which would be 64 Facebook pages, received this post. Then we have reach, which shows the total number of people that have viewed this post. We also have actions, which is the total number of people that have liked, shared, comment, put an emoji, some kind of interaction with this specific post. Then this is our engagement percent, which is basically the reach divided by actions. And so that's basically the analytics here on a broad spectrum. And if you just have one location, this is your analytics. But if in this scenario, we have 64 locations. So the next step is coming over here to actions. And we have two options to choose from. We can here look at the detail view. When you click that, it's going to open up and show all 64 of the analytics on this particular post. And so it'll show all the locations over here. And then it will show you the reach for each individual post and the actions, engagement, and then you have the option here of viewing this actually on Facebook. So you can go to, this will link you to the actual live Facebook page. You want to make sure you are, if you are using this on desktop, you have your Facebook account already opened, you're already logged in, so you can go straight to that. You can also use this option to repost, and this would just be a typical repost where you click this and it would load the post screen, and you can come over here and you can edit this to anything you like, and then you can select and go next. What you can also do is, going back 2 steps, is you can, instead of going into the detail view, if you like this, and let's say this is from last year. And so sort of a common best practice is some businesses are seasonal. So let's just say this is last year and you realize this is relevant for this time. You can come in here, and if you happen to like this engagement or however you view in your metrics, you can say, I want to post this year or today. And instead of going into the detail view, you can go straight to the repost from here. It will load the post screen just like before. So you just have two options there when it comes to reposting your content. Hope this helps. If you have any further questions, you can click your profile, go down to support, and submit a support ticket, and one of our Linkosaurus team members will assist you. And as always, link and soar with us.